Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Deselawati and PM2441210 from AKT 24A class. Here I will explain material about elasticity of supply. Come on, let's have a look. Elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply measure the degree of sensitivity of change in supply due to price change, factor that determine the price elasticity of supply. Calculating the coefficient of elasticity of demand, ES, equals percentage change in quantity supply by percentage price change. Formula, ES equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. Information, ES is supply elasticity coefficient, delta P is price change, delta Q is change in supply amount, Q is initial bid amount, P is initial price. Typical consumer by Morgan. First, the nature of change in production cost. Second, time period within which the overall analysis. Type of elasticity of supply. The first elastic supply is greater than 1. Demand that has an elasticity coefficient of more than 1 is elastic. This means that the percentage change in supply is greater than the percentage increase in price. Example, the Sahabat sauce experienced an increase in the price of children's sauce from 15,000 to 20,000. As a result of the price increase, the quantity supply increased from 1,000 to 4,000. So the elasticity coefficient can be calculated as follows. Formula, ES equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. 4,000 minus 1,000 is 3,000. 20,000 minus 15,000 is 5,000. 15,000 divided by 1,000 is 15. 3,000 divided by 5,000 is 0.6. 0.6 times 15 is 9. So we can see the elastic supply curve ES greater than 1. Second, inelastic supply, ES less than 1. Supply that has an elasticity coefficient of less than 1 is inelastic. This means that the percentage change in price is greater than the percentage change in quantity supply. So when there is a change in price in large quantities, it is not followed by a significant change in the quantity supply. Application example: in traditional market, the price of local orange has increased from 6,000 to 7,000 per kilogram. The price increase results in demand for local orange increasing from 6,500 kg to 7,000 kg. The calculation of the elasticity of coefficient is formula, ES equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. Delta Q 700 minus 6,500 is 500. Delta P 700 minus 600 is 100. P 600 divided by Q 6,500 is 0.92. 500 divided by 100 is 0.5. 0.5 times 0.92 is 0.46. So we can see the inelastic supply curve E is less than 1. Third, unitary elastic supply is equals to 1. A supply that has an elasticity coefficient equals to 1 is unitary elastic. This means that the percentage change in supply is the same as the percentage change in price. Application example: initially a pair of sandals cost 20,000 and rose to 20,200, accompanied by the number of bids increasing from the original 10,000 to 10,100. The calculation of the elasticity coefficient is formula, ES equals delta Q by delta P times P by Q. delta Q. 10,100 minus 10,000 is 100. Delta P. 20,200 minus 20,000 is 200. P. 20,000 divided by Q. 10,000 is 2. 100 divided 200 times 2 equals 1. So, we can see the elastic unitary supply curve ES is equals 1. Perfectly inelastic supply is equals to 0. Supply that has an coefficient equals to 0 is perfectly inelastic. This means that price change in large quantities do not affect the quantity supply at all. In other words, the quantity of goods supplied will always remain constant at any price level. The calculation of the elasticity coefficient is perfectly elastic supply. ES equal infinity. A supply that has an elasticity coefficient equals to infinity is perfectly elastic. This means that change in price in small quantities will also have a large effect on the quantity supplied. The calculation of the elasticity coefficient is so that all the material regarding supply elasticity hopefully is useful for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.